welcome back to Arie Moore's makeup room, where we learn and grow together. Today is Creative Glam Monday, guys, and I'm super excited to be back with another video. Today, since it is Creative Glam Monday, we are going to be dedicating a look to Christmas. It's one of my favorite times of the year, guys. I'm super excited. So before we get into this video, if you have not already, please do take some time to subscribe to the channel, guys. Make sure you like this video and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Okay, guys, so we're going to start this look out by going ahead with our white base. This is going to help that green eyeshadow pop a little bit more versus just using a neutral color. Then next, we're going to go straight into that green eyeshadow, blend that green eyeshadow, shape that green eyeshadow, and just get it nice and built up for the look. I absolutely love holiday season, guys, and it is not about the food. It's just something about what's in the air. Everybody seems so happy and friendly and just loving life and family. So I really love the holidays. So it's done, you know what I'm saying? And I'm looking really good, okay? So we're going to go ahead and with some green metallic, this is going to add just a nice little layer of shine to the eyeshadow, especially since most of the look is dominated by white. I wanted to make sure that there was some type of shimmer on top of this green because the green is a matte green. So, you know, it can only do so much and go so far as just sitting there alone. So yeah, I just went ahead and blended that over top of it and brought it up to the eyebrows. Now, guys, I did skip the part where I did my white cut crease because I went over that cut crease with a white eyeliner to create a wing, and obviously it was not going to show up on camera very well, so you guys did not get to see that part. So I did go ahead and do like the cut crease method with white concealer, and then you guys know how when I do like a black wing, I did that but with white. Now on the next clip, you guys will kind of see the detail on that a bit more as I really go into, you know, more of the look. But right now we're going ahead with our red liner, and we're creating our little circle here because we're basically doing like a Christmas hat, guys. And yeah, it's so much fun. Okay, so now this is where you can kind of see the white liner that's shaped as a wing, and I'm going in with some red lines just to go ahead and create a little extra oomph to it and separate the two looks from each other. Because yeah, it was just blended in. I feel like looking in the mirror I could see it, but looking in the camera I couldn't see it. So I was like super concerned about this video, but guys, it show just goes on. It is what it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna let that dry really good before I move on to the very next step, which is my favorite part. Gems, baby. We are going to be using red and silver, I believe. Yeah, let's go. So I'm placing my dots with my lash glue. You guys pretty much know this process. And then I'm just rotating the colors around from red to silver and just placing it in that open field. And we're just building it up to our liking, guys. And after that, you know, we just complete the look. Okay, guys, so we are finally done. I went ahead and finished the other eye. I did my makeup, I did my lips, guys, and I am just loving this look. I was a little bit worried at first while I was in the process of actually doing the makeup because your girl, me and white just don't get along, and this look required so much white. I was like, oh my God. But, you know, trust the process, and I'm so happy that I did, guys. I just want to thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and yeah, until next time, I'll just see you in the next video. Bye, guys.